Test MCQs of 24 December 2022 requirements of staff in the Directorate of Higher Education KPK. علامہ اقبال کی نظم شکوہ ان کے کس مجموعے میں شامل ہے؟ درست جواب بانگ درا۔ مسابقت کا مطلب ہے مقابلہ کرنا۔ حج کا سب سے عام رکن کون سا ہے؟ وقوف عرفات۔ تکبیر تحریمہ کا حصہ ہے۔ ارکان نماز کا۔ حضرت عثمان کے دور خلافت میں کس نے بیری بیڑا بنایا؟ سید امیر معاویہ نے۔ پہلا سجدہ قرآن کے کون سے سورت میں آیا ہے؟ الاعراف میں۔ حضرت علی رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ نے حضرت حسن کا نام کیا رکھا تھا؟ درست جواب عرب۔ ہجرت مدینہ کے وقت کس کو محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے اپنی جگہ سونے کا کہا؟ حضرت علی رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ کو۔ یونیسیف اسٹینڈ فار United National International Children Emergency Fund. The first railway line in Pakistan was laid between Karachi and Kottari. قائد-ے-اعظم محمد علی جناح نے کب وفات پائی؟ گیارہ ستمبر 1948۔ وہ حروف جو انسانوں کو سمجھ سے مخفی رکھیں کیا کہلاتے ہیں؟ درست جواب حروف مقطعات۔ Which is the signature event of 6th Hijri? Treaty of Sulh Hudaybiyah. The name platinum is derived from Platinia, which means little silver and is a language word. Correct option is Spanish. Which country has the highest post offices in the world? Correct option is India. United Nations University is situated in the city of Correct option is Tokyo. In the central nervous system, myelinated axon from the mater. Correct option is white. Groundstalk is associated with which of the following game? Correct option is tennis ball. Which of the following is the largest golf in the world? Correct option is Mexico. Sky News is the news channel of which country? Correct option is UK. The headquarters of International Court of Justice is located in Correct option is The Hague. Singapore was previously part of Correct option is Malaysia. Which of the following oldest tennis tournament in the world? Correct option is Wimbledon. Identify the country which was the runner of FIFA World Cup 2018. Correct option is Croatia. Quaid-e-Azam visited times to Islamia College, Peshawar. Correct option is 3 times. National fish of Pakistan is Correct option is Masher. Who was the opponent of Agha Khan in the president election of 1965? Correct option is Fatima Jinnah. Khalifa Committee and the Congress participated in the election under Correct option is Act 1919. Where was the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan born? Correct option is Delhi. The Simon Commission was welcomed with black flags. Shimla Deputation of 1906 had following purpose. For future election in the country and separate electorate of Muslims. Quaid-e-Azam gave his 14 points in response to Nehru report. The clock rate of the processor is measured in megahertz. The numbers of bits in nibble is 4 bits in a nibble. 1 nibble is equal to 4 bits in a nibble. cd command is used in DOS for change the current directory. DOS is abbreviation for disk operating system, which was the operating system used for personal computer. Correct option is first computer. Physical or logical arrangement of network is topology. There is nothing interesting in the book. Correct option is in the book.